What if BMW's most iconic sports sedan wasn't just electrified, reinvented? Meet the all-new 2026 BMW i3, the electric 3 Series that doesn't just compete, it rewrites the rules of performance, range, design and technology. This is not the quirky hatchback you remember. This is a sleek, purpose-built electric sedan crafted on BMW's groundbreaking Neue Klasse platform, a ground-up 800-volt architecture that enables ultra-fast charging in premium EV dynamics. The exterior blends classic BMW cues, a reinterpreted kidney grille and crisp sculpted surfaces, with a futuristic silhouette that's both aerodynamic and unmistakably modern. Step inside and you're in the future. The i3 cabin is radically digital, a full-width panoramic vision display sweeping across the dash project's vital info right in your line of sight, complemented by a large angled center touchscreen running BMW's new iDrive X system. Minimalist steering controls and sustainable premium materials give the interior a sophisticated yet intuitive feel, redefining what a luxury EV cockpit should be. Under the skin, the i3 delivers true BMW performance. In dual-motor AWD form, it produces around 463 horsepower with torque that launches the car with electrifying confidence, all while maintaining efficiency. Range? BMW aims for up to 500+ miles on a single charge, WLTP. With peak DC fast charging up to 400 kilowatts, adding hundreds of miles in just minutes. That's range and charging speed that redefine long-distance EV driving. And now for the part everyone asks, price. In the United States, experts project the i3 could start around $50,000 to $55,000 for the base model, with performance and AWD versions pushing into the mid-$60,000s and beyond, a bold offer for what's shaping up to be one of the most advanced EV sedans on the market. Manufactured at the Munich home plant, production begins August 2026, with customer deliveries scheduled for autumn 2026. This isn't just another electric car, it's BMW's declaration that the future of driving is electric, exhilarating, and unmistakably 3 Series. The all-new BMW i3 has arrived. Would you choose this electric BMW i3 over a traditional 3 Series? Tell me below, and don't forget to subscribe for more.